Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss application level question from the unit Arithmetic Progression. As we know, we expect application level questions for the board exam, so we will try to discuss a simple application level question. Show that the sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term of an AP is equal to the twice the mth term. Show that the sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term of an AP is equal to the twice the mth term. Now the first step is the nth term of an AP is given by an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Students, we know the nth term of an AP is given by the formula an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. So, in the given question, the given data is a given m plus nth term. Therefore, I'll replace n by m plus n. That is, m plus nth term is nothing but in the nth term formula, just replace n by m plus n. That is, a of m plus n. That is, n is replaced by m plus n, which is equal to a plus, again replace n by m plus n. That is, a plus bracket m plus n minus 1 times d. In the same way, m minus nth term of the AP is just replace n by m minus n. That is, a of m minus n is equal to a plus m minus n minus 1 times d. For m plus nth term, replace n by m plus n. In the same way, for m minus nth term, replace n by m minus n. Now, the mth term is given by am equals a plus m minus 1 times d. That is, just replace n by m. Now, we have written m plus nth term, m minus nth term and mth term. Now, what is the given condition? In the question, if you read again, the condition is the sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term. We should find out the sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term is equal to twice the mth term. That is m plus n plus m minus n. Now, just what we need to do now? Just write down the value of a of m plus n and m minus nth term value. That is, what is m plus nth term? That is, a plus m plus n minus 1 times d plus, in the same way, a plus m minus 1 minus 1 times d. Now, the next step is multiply d with m, n and minus 1. In the same way, multiply d with m minus n and minus 1. What we get is d into m is dm. The same way, d into n is dn. In the same way, d into 1 is d, that is plus into minus, minus d. The same way, a plus d into m, dm, plus into minus, minus d into n is dn, again plus into minus, minus 1 into d is d. Now, if you observe, plus dn and minus dn will cancel out each other. Now, add a plus a, that is 2a. In the same way, dm plus dm is 2dm, and minus d, we get minus 2 times d. If you observe, 2 is a common term, take 2 out. Take 2 as a common factor, we get a plus dm minus d. Again, in the algebraic expression dm minus d, what is the common? Common is d. Now what is the remaining term? If we take out d as a common factor, m minus 1 is the remaining term, that is a plus m minus 1 into d. If you observe what is a plus m minus 1 into d, that is mth term. Therefore 2 times mth term. So we have got the solution. We have proved that the sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term is equal to what? Twice the mth term. That is, the sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term is twice the mth term. Hence, we have proved the condition. The sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term is twice the mth term. Students, hopefully you have understood this question. In the same way, we may get many application based questions in the exam. Try to solve as many questions, application level questions from the unit arithmetic progression. Hopefully this video has been useful to you. Thank you for watching the video. If you find my videos are useful, do subscribe the channel for more videos. I'll be continuing the applications questions from this unit.